This is Access Project 4B, case problem 1 for the Pine Hill Music School. We created a number of forms and reports, and we learned how to format them. So for example, you can see here we created a student contracts report and some forms, contracts by teacher. This goes right to our first value. This has a sub form and a main form. You can go into View, the View tab here, and either in Design or in Layout you can make changes to your forms or reports. I didn't have the same exact colors that sometimes they asked me to use. Clarity. I didn't have any format option called Clarity, but I think the point is just to show you how to choose a different style, so you can change your styles around. And then they wanted the font to be brown, so you make that brown. So we learned how to do that, changing this style sheet around, which was kind of nice. And you can create forms with subforms by going into the Create tab. On mine, you go here, you go to the Form Wizard, and that's how you can create a form. Reports, you go to the Report Wizard, same kind of thing, and you add fields like this. You can add all the fields if you want to, and then you can put some back if there's some that you don't want, like that. All in all, it was pretty easy to manage and to handle, so you could create all kinds of different ways of analyzing your data that you have, your main data, always working from your earlier tables that we started with. So in this one, we created the contracts by teacher, and then there's a subform. This was the subform, which was by the contract ID, the student ID, and the type of lesson. That's the subform of the contracts by teacher big form. The instructions encourage us to frequently look at the print preview view, and you can scroll through and see let's see more pages. You can see by zooming in, you can see how it's actually going to look, and if all your information is there as you wanted it. So it was pretty straightforward to create these. I enjoyed this one. I generally have been liking Access better than Excel. Somehow it's not as excruciating. So that is Project 4B.